Welcome to Burk Training. I'm Michael Trotter Lawson, and today I'll be showing you how to use the Cisco 8851 IP phone. Though I am demonstrating these features on this phone, most of these functions and tips I will be sharing also apply to other Cisco phones in the 8800 and 7800 series of devices. In this video, I'll cover all the basics of using this phone on a daily basis, such as making calls, transferring, conferencing, and more. Let's start with the basic appearance of the phone and its accessories. The 8851 comes with a base and a handset, and is powered via Power over Ethernet or PoE. On the back, you can see the ports for the Ethernet both in and out of the phone, as well as the connection ports for the handset that is likely already in use, and a port for the headset, if that is your preference. On the front of the phone, let's go over the buttons and lights. To the bottom right, you have the headset and speaker buttons, with the mute button below. Above these three are the hold, transfer, and conference buttons. On the left side of the phone, we've got voicemail, settings, directory, and the volume control. Here in the center of the phone are the navigation controls, with the back button here and the in-call button here on the right. These four buttons below the screen are called soft keys, and they change their function dynamically depending on what state the phone is in. On the left side of the screen, there are the feature buttons, used to view calls on a line or use speed dial. The right side of the screen has the session buttons, which will present different options for managing calls in progress. To make a call, simply pick up the handset and dial the number. You can also use the speakerphone or a headset if you prefer. Just press the new call button here. For most organizations, to dial an external number, you'll have to press 9 before dialing. To answer a call, just pick up the handset, press the speakerphone or headset button to use those speaking options, or press the answer button. Once on the phone, pressing the hold button will put the call on hold, and pressing it again will resume the held call. To transfer the call, hit the transfer button, then dial the number you wish to transfer to. The number you're trying to transfer to will receive a call from you. Then you can either talk to them before transferring the call, or simply hit transfer once they answer. To cancel the transfer, hit in call before pressing transfer the second time. The call you were trying to transfer will now be on hold. To transfer a call to voicemail, press star before dialing the number of the voicemail you want to send the call to. Let's move to the voicemail system. To access your voicemail, press the messages button on the phone and enter your PIN. If you have not set up the voicemail yet, your default PIN will be 112233, and you will be prompted to set up your voicemail. From there, you can listen to your messages and manage your voicemail settings. Controls for using voicemail are shown on screen now, and this document is in the description as well. A slightly more advanced feature is conferencing, which allows you to add multiple parties to a call. To set up a conference call, first make a call to the first party, then press the conference button and dial the number of the second party. Once they answer, press the conference button again to merge the calls into a conference. You can only have up to 4 numbers on a conference call at a time. Another useful, more advanced feature is the option to forward all calls to another extension or to another phone entirely. You'll see one of the default soft keys shows this option, and after pressing that key, simply enter the relevant number. Remember, if it is an external number, you'll almost certainly have to press 9 before entering the number. Later, when you want to end the forward all, simply press that same soft key once again. Finally, if you wish to customize your settings to your liking, you can do this by simply pressing the settings button here. and adjusting settings like the wallpaper, ringtones, display brightness, and more, though some options may be restricted by your administrator. That's all for this Burk training video on using the Cisco 8851 IP phone. We have a quick start guide linked in the description that you are welcome to download and use. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.